Hello students, today we discuss another new difference between if or when. Now many students have difficulty where we use if or when. So let us begin to read first sentence which is written on the usage of the if. If you hear any news, can you ring me immediately? It means that if you hear any news, you might hear some news or might not. There's a condition where we use if. When we talk about the when you hear some news, can you ring me immediately? Here when means you will hear some news. There's a possibility to hear. Now second sentence written is I will probably go for a walk later on if it stays fine. It means if it stay fine, it might not stay fine, or maybe he's a fine or not. If you are fine, then you will come with me for walking. Second sentence written I will make myself an omelette when I get home tonight. When I return from the my work, then I will do something for making omelette. Here I will get home tonight. The second sentence is now it shows that we use if for something that we think might happens. There are chances of something happens or not. When we talk about the when, we use when for something that we know will happens. What will happen in the future? We use if not when for something impossible or imaginary. If I were you, I would refuse. Here we use were with the imaginary things. We can also use both terms either if or when to counter where we means every time. If you run, you use energy. When you run, you